We guide you through how to remove a password, PIN, or pattern from your Samsung. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your settings, then scroll down and tap lock screen and select secure lock settings. Enter your current password, PIN, or pattern to proceed, then tap screen lock type and choose none or swipe to completely remove the lock. If you forgot your password, don't worry. Go to another device and log into your Samsung account using Find My Mobile. Select your phone and click Unlock to remotely remove the lock screen. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet for this to work. Alternatively, you can perform a factory reset by returning or turning off your phone, then pressing and holding the volume up and power buttons together until recovery mode appears. Select wipe data or factory reset, confirm, and wait for the process to finish. But remember, this will erase all your data, and once done, your phone will restart without a lock, and you can set now for a new one to keep it unlocked depending on your preference.